Hey pals, I'm René from Mikrofahrzeuge. I'm here at Sven's in our Lindau branch. Today we discuss e-scooter tuning chips. Tuning chips are popular in Germany. They are available for all models, primarily Xiaomi and Ninebot, as they are the best-selling brands in the market. How they work, whether it's worth it or not, whether it's illegal or not, that's what we're talking about today, so stay tuned. I have a few of these tuning chips with me. Simply come with me, let's have a glimpse of the entire thing. These are tiny electronic components that we need to examine. Here we have a chip for Xiaomi scooter now. They fit almost all Xiaomi, normal M365, Essential Pro, Pro 2. It does not matter which firmware here. Here we have, for instance, a chip for electric bicycles. This has been known for a while, obviously. What do we have here? Technostar, Synergy. Additionally, there is also eCondis present. Technostar provides a wide range of different vehicle chips, catering to all possible requirements. Without a doubt, Technostar is a prominent player in this industry. How do these chips work? In principle, they are simply hung between the controller and the dashboard, i.e. the display, and they simply manipulate the signal or they access the firmware. Let's get to the question, is such a chip dangerous? Does it break my scooter? I say actually such a chip is even safer if you modify the firmware. As a retailer, we know it often happens when people play around. They tend to overdo it. They always want more power. They increase current strength until components could break. Or you don't pay attention to which firmware I have, how does it all fit together? And one sort of flashes the components. Speak, you no longer have access via the mobile app. You must replace the controller or the dashboard. From that point of view, I would say that the tuning chip is almost the safe method. They are of course extensively tested by the manufacturer so that nothing breaks on the scooter and yet as much power as possible is delivered. 5, 6, 7, 8.
12, 18 consecutive numbers.
19, 32 consecutive numbers from 19 to 32.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41.
41, 41, 41, 41. You've heard beep. I think it's active. Let's retest. And behold, the good now drives 35. The whole thing is of course up in the air, whether paid or real. He will probably bring in 30, 32. This is also quite different for each scooter. How is your engine? How is your battery? What is your remaining range? How much power does your battery bring? It depends on the speed you achieve. And already some customers have come and said, I still have a change in range, my scooter drives 18 instead of 25. Then we looked, the record is in the front, yes of course, then he just can't bring it anymore. It's crucial to change the max speed, tune the vehicle, and no longer participate in the vehicle horse competition. But what you are permitted to do is, you can remove the chip once more and I will simply test it now. And the scooter should then be in its original condition. And then of course you can participate in road traffic. It is also true that this tuning tip is not illegal. That means you can take it with you when you go somewhere to the campsite or to the Omaus, this property. You can use it there and of course have fun with your scooter. However, it is evident that this applies not just to traffic situations or merely adhering to regulations. In other countries, you may also be able to install and use it. Yes, you see 20 km/h, that implies the scooter is back to its initial state. Well, actually, that's pretty much it on this topic. What I would like to mention is the manufacturer told me something really exciting, and specifically about these e-bike tuning chips. These are for these Bosch motors. They are in almost every e-bike. There is an exciting product, a tuning chip. It can be deactivated, activated, clear, so you can turn the tuning on and off. But what is exciting is that it has integrated GPS. This means you can locate your bike anytime, anywhere it is. And I believe that makes this product very interesting. Will be accessible soon in our store. Stop by. We're happy to link products in the description. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to our channel. Until the next video.